Tonight in the case of that Maryland dentist busted for trying to trade pills for sex with a child.
ABC2 investigators, we broke the story on Wednesday, and tonight Josie Sturman is back with new interviews with people who knew him. Josie?
Kelly, we heard from a former sex partner of Dr. Vakar Chowdhury, and she says she saw red flags. A sign on Dr. Vakar Chowdhury's Hagerstown office says closed until further notice. He can't operate this dental clinic because he's in federal custody.
He didn't want anything like beyond 13.
Lakeisha McElroy knows why. She lives in the apartment above Chowdhury's office and at one time had a sexual relationship with him. But she cut it off after she says he made a disturbing request.
He said, well, do you know any, little girls, someone that's not really developed, somebody that's young.
As ABC2 investigators first told you earlier this week, Chowdhury was charged by the feds after trying to arrange a sexual encounter with a child. Drug Enforcement Administration agents learned about his plans while investigating claims Chowdhury was distributing pain pills to patients who never even claimed to have pain. With the help of a confidential source, they set up a meeting between Chowdhury and a fictional child at this Motel 6 in Hagerstown. That's where agents arrested him last week. Chowdhury lives in this Montgomery County home. Family friend Yasmin Javed says the dentist is married with 2 young children.
Very nice personality, very caring and very humble.
But court documents paint a very different picture of Chowdhury, who was indicted yesterday on federal charges of enticing a minor to engage in sexual activity and distribution of oxycodone, crimes the feds say he committed inside that now shuttered office.
I feel really bad for anybody who had their kids going there, because imagine what he was thinking as he's cleaning their teeth and he's doing their dental work, and you have a little girl in there. He's literally thinking about having sex with them. And it's sick. It's really sick.
Chowdhury is in federal custody tonight. If he is convicted, he could get as much as 20 years in prison. Josie Sturman, ABC2 News.